Hi everyone, my name is Skylar Grant. I'm a junior at the University of West Florida and I'm also a Pensacola native. I'm currently majoring in global hospitality and tourism management. Coming here, I actually didn't really have many goals in my major, but that's what's been so great about coming here is that I've been able to explore a lot of the different things that the college has to offer and the industry has to offer. So after coming here now, I think I have more solid goals of working in the human resources industry after I graduate. So I didn't have any specific roles here on campus, but I did have the opportunity to go do the Disney College program this past year, and I'll actually be doing it again this summer, so that's very exciting. Some of the opportunities I've had, especially in Dr. Tran's class, he does a lot of networking opportunities for us. So most of the time during the semester, we'll work on one big project, a presentation, and then at the end of the semester, we have the opportunity to present our research to a lot of big people in the industry, a lot of general managers, a lot of people that are involved with the College of Business. So that's a really great opportunity for networking and looking to get a job after we graduate. Recently, I had the opportunity to work in a small group in our class, and we researched the Holiday Inn Resort on Pensacola Beach, and just kind of took a closer look at some of the things that the resort is doing and some of the things that they could do better to improve their service and make them a better resort overall. So one of the things that we did was look at TripAdvisor reviews on the website to kind of pinpoint where their trouble areas are and how they could do it a little bit better. So we did a lot of research on that, and we connected it to Maslow's hierarchy of needs to kind of figure out how hotels look to meet the needs of their guests and how that makes them good resorts. If you have any questions or want to reach out to me, my student email is srg35@students.uwf.edu. Thank you for listening to this Tuesday's testimonial.